Hi guys, it's Rebecca here from LW Society, and I'm so excited to be talking to you today about eyelash extensions aftercare and how you can use it to grow your business. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you the proper aftercare for eyelash extensions and how you can get more reviews and returning clients. Now make sure you stay with me until the end, as I'll be giving away a free aftercare cheat sheet to you, and you can read this out to your clients, making your life super easy. It's so crucial to get lash aftercare right. Get it right and clients will have the longest lasting lashes possible. This will help you build a great reputation, and this will result in repeat customers. So today I'm going to be sharing with you the aftercare to tell your clients, my secret trick to get reviews, and my promotion to get client referrals. So what is the actual lash aftercare? Aftercare rule number 1, no getting the lashes wet for 48 hours. So you need to beware of steamy showers or baths, as that is just secret moisture in the air. And the reason why we say the lashes can't get wet for 48 hours is it because it can affect how the glue cures. And if the glue gets too wet, it's going to shock cure and then the lashes won't last as long. Aftercare number 2, no makeup on the lashes. So mascara will ruin the lashes and makeup contains oils that will prematurely remove the lashes. Also, removing makeup will disrupt them. Clients need to make sure they only use an oil-free makeup remover on their face. So don't use eyelash curlers either. They will break, crease and prematurely pull out your eyelash extensions. Now, after a client's had lash extensions, they should never really want to wear makeup again, especially mascara, things like that. But you are going to get 1 or 2 clients that might not look after their lashes properly. They might be tempted to put a little bit of mascara on in between appointments, and you just want to let them know that that's not okay, yeah? Aftercare rule number 3, no oily products on the lashes. So remember, oils and creams can loosen the bonds of the glue and make the lashes clump. You don't want to use any oily products on your eyes. You want to moisturize the eye area gently and hold down the lashes whilst doing it to avoid getting product on the lashes. Aftercare rule number 4, beware of sleeping on the lashes. This can crush and crimp them. If you're noticing the lashes are coming out more on one side, this will be because you're sleeping on them. Now, I make an extra special point of saying this to people who have never had lash extensions before. If you notice your lashes coming out on just one of your outer corners, that's because you're sleeping on that side. I've had so many clients come to me when I first started saying, "Oh, I love the lashes, Becky, but they just haven't lasted." And I'd be so worried, like, "Oh no, why haven't they lasted?" I'd get them to come in and then I'd see it was only on one corner of the eye, and that was because they were sleeping on them. So make an extra special point to tell your clients this so they can be accountable for it if that happens. Aftercare rule number 5, lashes must be cleaned twice a week. Now, some lash artists say to clean your lashes every day. I personally think this is a bit excessive. You don't wash your hair on your head every day, well, you shouldn't do. And I let them know I think twice a week is plenty, and especially just before each lash maintenance appointment. This helps remove any old lash extensions and gives us the best lash base to do a top up. If lashes are not cleaned properly, oil and bacteria can build up on the lashes, which can lead to eye infections. And the way that I explain it so my clients really understand it is, imagine if you didn't wash your hair for 3 weeks, how gross would it be? Now, your eyelashes' job on your body is to stop any dust and debris going into your eye. So imagine how much they can pick up in 3 weeks, plus the additional oil. It's a kind of gross recipe for disaster. So we need to make the clients aware that they must clean them. Now, this also leads into my fantastic / slightly sneaky way to get a review. So I then say, lash cleansing brushes can be purchased from us for £5, or we are currently running a promotion where you can get one for free if you leave us a review today. And it works I would say nearly every time. Now this claims good client behaviour because they're cleaning their lashes and it builds your reviews, which is a win-win situation. Now, I think it's really good as well to inform your clients about lash sheds. So the way that I explain it is, your lashes are always growing and shedding and new ones will come in their place. So you will lose a lash extension when your eyelash naturally sheds. If you see your natural lashes coming out, don't worry, that's what's meant to happen. And that's why we recommend infills every 2 to 3 weeks. Infills are priced accordingly to a weekly basis and by time, and anything over 5 weeks is a new full set. We recommend booking your infills at least 2 weeks in advance to avoid disappointment. So this gets your clients to training good client behaviour into the habit of pre-booking their appointments at least 2 weeks in advance. And it also makes your salon seem like it's really busy, which it is, or it will be. And that just makes you look more professional, like you're more on top of things and like you like to run an efficient salon. So another thing you can do is print off an aftercare sheet for them to take home. I normally do that and I put a little mascara wand in it for them and their lash cleansing brush once they've left us a review. And then you can also send it via email so they can have a copy to look at all times. I personally don't do that, I just give them the sheet, but there's both options there. So bonus tip time, referrals. So another thing I like to say is, we're also running a promotion where if you recommend a friend, you can get, so this is an X amount, it's for you to decide how much you want to give off your next infill. And there's no limit on who or how many people you can refer. So what I used to do when I was first starting out is I used to say, if you refer a friend, you get a half price lash infill. Now, yes, I would lose 50% of whatever my infill prices were at the time. However, I was gaining a new client, which was paying full price for a lash set. And I knew that if I could get people through the door and to experience my lash salon and to experience the lashes that I did, that they would return. Or at least they would have a positive experience and they would speak positively about us in the future. Now, to get your free aftercare sheet, all you have to do is simply click on the link below in the description. And hey, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. And also make sure you come and join our Facebook group. Our Facebook group specializes in helping you build your lash business, and it's an encouraging and inspiring and creative and educational, the list goes on of the things that it is, place to be, and we can't wait to welcome you there. Alright guys, well that's it from me. As always, it was a pleasure talking to you and I can't wait to see you at our next video.